Did you know your pocket could be a mini survival kit? From starting a fire in the wild to fixing your glasses on the go, EDC, everyday carry, gear isn't just cool, it's critical. Whether you're commuting, camping, or just like being ready for anything, the right tools can make all the difference. Let's break down 6 of the most useful and badass EDC items out there, compact, powerful, and purpose-built. We'll compare them head to head, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your pocket. Links to everything are in the description below. Number 6, Leatherman Signal, the survivalist's dream. If Batman needed a multi-tool, it'd be this one. The Leatherman Signal is an outdoor-ready 19-in-1 beast. It's got pliers, a combo blade, saw, hammer, can opener, emergency whistle, fire starter, and even a built-in sharpener. And yet, it only weighs around 7.5 ounces. Field-tested and tough, it's ideal for campers, hikers, or anyone who wants their EDC to double as a survival kit. The tool access is mostly one-handed, though using it with gloves can get tricky. Compared to a Gerber, the Signal brings more features and a more premium feel, but Gerber sometimes wins on tool speed and lifetime warranty. Best 4 outdoor adventurers who want everything in one solid tool. Number 5, BLAVOR Solar Power Bank, your power backup buddy. Need juice in the wild? The BLAVOR Solar Charger gives you 10,000 mAh of rugged charging power, fast USB-C output, wireless charging, and even a flashlight with SOS mode. It's water/dust/shock resistant, and comes with a compass carabiner. Handy, right? But here's the catch, the solar panel is basically backup only. It looks cool but won't save your phone after a day in the sun. As one Redditor put it, yeah, the solar charging is useless. Still, it's great as a power bank, offering reliable performance in emergencies and long trips. Best 4 campers or travelers needing a durable, fast-charging power bank, not solar diehards. Number 4, Gerber GDC Money Clip Knife, sleek but tactical. Part money clip, part knife. All stealth. The Gerber GDC blends a sharp 1.75-inch fixed blade into a titanium-coated clip that holds 5 cards or folded bills. It's compact, sharp out of the box, and definitely a conversation starter. It's great for light tasks, opening packages, slicing cord, etc., but not made for anything too heavy-duty. And heads up, the more you stuff it with cards, the harder it is to get the knife out. Compared to the rest, it's more about minimalism and looks than raw function, but still has solid Gerber quality. Best 4 urban EDC lovers who want a blade without the bulk. Number 3, OLIGHT Baton3 Pro, pocket-sized powerhouse. This little monster throws 1,500 lumens up to 175 meters, in something smaller than your palm. The OLIGHT Baton3 Pro is a premium EDC flashlight with USB magnetic charging, a large user-friendly button, and runtime up to 120 days, yes, really. The magnetic base and clip give you lots of mounting options, and the whole thing charges up in about 3.5 hours. It's durable, bright, and reliable. Downsides? Proprietary battery and a slightly green tint on lower settings due to its cool white LED. Versus Phoenix flashlights, it stands out with better charging and portability, though Phoenix might have more natural light output. Best 4 anyone who wants crazy brightness in a compact, rechargeable body. Number 2, CJRB Locust Folding Knife, sleek, sharp, reliable. This knife is all about smooth action and solid performance. With its 3.15-inch AR RPM 9 steel blade, G10 inlay handle, and ceramic bearing flipper plus button lock system, the CJRB Locust feels far more premium than its price suggests. Edge retention is decent, and the safety lock is a nice touch. The fit and finish are excellent, though some users report the lock's a bit stiff at first. Compared to brands like Civivai, CJRB nails it on ergonomics and deployment smoothness, but Civivai might edge it out in edge retention consistency. Best 4 EDC knife enthusiasts looking for slick action and great value. Number 1, OKNIFE Otacle D1, mini driver, major utility. This tiny tool packs a punch, titanium body, 4 double-ended S2 bits, 8 total functions, magnetic holders, and even a graphite eternal pencil for quick notes. Weighing just 1.5 ounces, it's perfect for your EDC pouch or pocket. You can handle eyeglass screws, knife pivots, electronics, and general tweaks with ease. The internal bit storage is clever, just be careful when opening it, all bits can fall out if you're not paying attention. Compared to bulkier tools, this one's all about precision and class, not brute force. Best for tinkerers, techies, and anyone who wants tools without the bulk. So, which one wins? It's tough, but if we had to crown one best overall EDC gear, it's the Leatherman Signal. Why? It packs the most versatility, durability, and survival utility into a single tool, making it the ultimate ready-for-anything companion. Whether you're lighting fires, fixing gear, or opening a can at camp, it's got your back.